So, hi guys, welcome back to Code Explorer. Here I am Pavitra Banerjee with you, and you are watching this video as a part of our front-end development series. And now we are learning about HTML. And in our previous videos, we have already learned how to install your VS Code IDE inside your system and how to write your first HTML code from scratch, and then how to run your HTML code into your browser. Okay, and in our second video we have already discussed about water tags of HTML. So hope you guys have understood that video and you have really understood that. So if you have not seen this video yet, then I will share the link of this video in our I button, and you will also keep I will also put this in our description box, so please check this video. Okay, so now start the video of our uh, third video of our HTML series, and today we will learn about list tags of HTML. Okay, so let's start the video. So doing that, I am simply come to here this my HTML folder which I have already created for the whole HTML series. So now I will simply click here and I will create another file here. So tutorial 3.html. Okay, so I think as you know that how we can create our basic boilerplate. So shift +1 and then hit enter. It will create your basic HTML boilerplate. And now I want to give it a name, tutorial 3, then list tag. Okay, so I think I have missed one thing, that when we create an HTML file, there are two major tags. One is head tag and one is body tag. So inside our head tag, we will include our all the required links which we want to import and all of that. And inside of our body tag, the main function goes there. And when we run our HTML file, the basically the body tags executes in our screen. Okay, and the head tags goes to our header of the browser. Okay, so I think you have got this point, and so now move to the point that what is list tags of HTML. So basically, I think as you can see that you have seen already in various websites that there are some lists, and the lists are basically two types of lists. You have seen maybe that there are some bulleted lists and there are some numerical or alphabetical lists. Okay, so how you can create those types of lists using HTML? Today we will learn about that. So while you will create list tags, there you have to keep in your mind that there are only three tags you have to remind. Okay, one is for ordered listing, which is OL tag is used for ordered listing. One is UL for unordered listing, and there are an elemental tag for those OL and UL both tags, that is LI tag. Okay, LI tag stands for list item. Okay, so now let's see how we can create an list. So I want to give here an h1 tag first, then I want to create um, let's suppose programming language. Okay, so programming language. So how we can create the list tags? Okay, so first I want to show you that what is order listing. So to do so, you have to simply type OL and hit enter. It will create your order list. Then you have to add your list items. That what you have to list. That for I want to list basically, let's suppose HTML. Then we can use CSS. Then we can write JavaScript. Okay. Then we can write Python. Then we can write C. Then we can write C plus plus, then we can write Java. That's enough. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to just simply uh, live this using your live server. Okay, so now you can see here that all of the list we have done is here. So now for you, for your better understanding, I want to create this, I want to split this screen. Okay, so as you can see here, that what is going on here, that we have already created our h1 tag, which is for programming language, and it is printed as h1 tag. And then we have created an ordered listing. And for ordered listing, what is ordered listing? That a list which follows an order. So that's when we follow, when we give an number, numerical digits like 1 2 3 4 9, and this will go on. Then we have capital A, basically capital alphabets, then small alphabet, then Roman alphabets. These types of things we use for these order listings. Okay, so let's me show you that how you can that you can see here that for order listing by default, our browser gives us the one to basically the numerical values for our order listing. So how we can change this format? So to do so, you have to simply type attribute. You have type attributes, and when you will type attribute, you can see that you have 5 type attributes. One is one that stands for basically numerical values, then capital A, which is for capital alphabets, then small a, which is for small alphabets, and then capital Roman 1, which stands for capital Romans, and then we have small Roman 1, which stands for our small Romans. Okay, so what if that we want to change this format? So for now I want to change it as capital alphabet. So I am giving this attribute, and you can see that our format has changed, and it is now taking A B C D E F G H like that. Okay, so if we change it to small a, then you can see that it is taking that A B C D small. Okay, so basically this is the work of our ordered listings. In ordered listings, we have to order list the all items in order. Okay, so this is for ordered listing. And what if that we want to create an unordered listings? And what is unordered listings? So basically unordered listings doesn't follow any order. That is unordered listing. So what we can do for unordered listing, we have UL. Just simply hit enter. Okay, then I have already copied this, and I am just going to simply paste this here. And here you can see thus our unordered listing has been come here. Let me uh, give something here. I am giving an h tag here. Then I want to use h2 tag for uh, ordered listing. Okay, and now here I want to give an h tag also. Here I want to use another h tag. And then inside of this h tag I want to use another h2 tag. Basically you can see, which is for unordered listing. Okay, this is unordered listings, and now we have hr again. So now it's look good. So as you can see that we have already defined that it is ordered listings, and we have maintained an order here, and then we have created an unordered listing which is have no order, but it is creating as some bulleted point. So how we can change this bulleted point in our unordered listing? So for the same goes here also, you have to use this type attribute. Okay, so for these here we have 4 types of type attributes. One is basically this, which is by default given to our tag of our list items by our browser. As you can see, this is disk shape. This shape is known as disk. We have one square option, we have one basically disk option, we have circle option, and we have none option. These 4 we have. Okay, so let's check this, try this. So I am giving here circle. Just simply see what is going. As you can see that the format has been changed. This is circle. Okay, so what if that we want to use square? So you can see that we have simply changed this to squares. Okay, so this is basically the things for stands for these ordered listings and unordered listings. So hope you guys have understood that what is listing list tags in HTML, and you have already we have already done our first order listings and unordered listings too. So hope you guys have understood. For now I want to show you something, that I have created an list tags here. I am doing this, so you can see this. I want that you should take a screenshot here of this, and I want that you should try this and you should make this as your homework and upload this inside of our comment section. Okay, and for now I want to show you another thing, that is our Devline community. As you can see that I am inside my Devline community and I have already logged in my profile. So I am just simply going to show you my profile. Okay, you can see here that you can also edit your profile here. From here you can see you can create your free profile here. Okay, you can simply do whatever you want. And then I want to show you that here we have an option for files here. So what is this files here means? So here you can upload your file or folders. Okay, as I have already mentioned here, files and folders. So I want that you should upload your code which you have written here to this folder. So for now I am showing you that how you can do that. This is a HTML file. Sorry. So let's suppose I'm going to maybe something problems has happened here, so I will fix it, and you can upload there any files you want to share. Okay, so you can do this very easily. So if you have not joined our Devline community yet, so you should definitely join this. And there you have to upload your this HTML code. You have to create this. This is very simple. If you have first, you have to understand that what is going on. First you have to give the structure, that you can see that first we have written an using any h tags, that means our header tags. Then we have used another header tags, and between these we have created an horizontal line, and then we have listed an order listing. Then we have written another, then another horizontal line, then some unordered listing. So you have to create this, and I want that you should create this and you should upload your code in our Devline community. Or you can simply, if you are unable to share from here, so you have to simply go to our forum section. Okay, so simply go to forum section here, and you have to create a new post. I am showing you how you can create your post. So for now I am going here and I am going to copy all this, and now I am coming back here, and now I am basically for student zone here, and I am listing in HTML. I am giving this. Okay, now you have an option to write codes here. Add a code snippet. Simply click on here, and there you can paste this. Okay, as you can see that this is as we have written our code. So what you have to do, just simply you have to just simply publish this. So I will show you, I will show the, as I am the admin, and I will verify your code, and then you can your post will be uploaded. Okay, your post needs to be approved by an admin or moderator before going live. You will receive a notification once your post is reviewed. Okay, I will review this post and then I will basically upload this. Okay, and I will also check your and code. So this will be very helpful for you. So try this. So hope you guys have understood that what is list tags in HTML. And if this video is helpful for you, then please hit the like button, and please leave a comment for us that how we can improve ourselves. And uh, if you are new one and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe that, because we will bring these types of video every day for you, which will be helpful for you to develop new skills in programming. So that's for today. And one thing I want to give you clarify that why we have made this basically post pending system, because thus we want that this community should focus only on programming, and there should not be any types of other posts. So this is why we have created this system, that where we will, when we will get the update that someone is going to post anything here, first we will review that, and if that is related to our programming, then we will definitely uh, allow them to post. Okay, and if there is no programming related content, then we will simply deny that. Okay, so it will be only focused on programming. So that is for today. See you in the next video. Till then, keep programming, keep watching our channel, and happy coding.